Hello and welcome back to our WordPress development course. This is adding a custom sidebar and dynamic widgets. If it's your first time tuning in, make sure to check out the playlist, Becoming a WordPress Developer in 2025, which is on the We Will Code YouTube channel. That way you could start from the beginning as we install WordPress locally and create our first theme from scratch. Now let's get started. So in the last lessons, we created some custom pages. Now that we've done that, it's time to add custom sidebars and widgets. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to register a sidebar in functions.php, display the sidebar in sidebar.php, and we'll learn how to add dynamic widgets from the WordPress dashboard, as well as how to style the sidebar. By the end of this lesson, our theme will have a fully functional, customizable sidebar that can be edited directly from the WordPress dashboard. Let's get started by opening up functions.php. So let's go under our theme style script function. And let's get started. And then save. So this here tells WordPress to create a sidebar where users can drag and drop widgets from the dashboard. Next, we're going to create sidebar.php to display the sidebar. We're going to create a new file in our theme folder called sidebar.php. In it, we're going to add the following code. And save it. So this code checks if any widgets have been added to the sidebar. If not, it displays a fallback message. Now we want to include the sidebar in our template pages. Let's do that now. We want it after the main. So we'll start with index. Save. And we could just copy paste this in our other templates. Home. After the main. Save. Front page, save, page, save, and even our template we made for our contact page. Save it. So now that we've added the sidebar to each of our templates, if we go to any of these pages, we should be able to see it. But first we need to add widgets into our sidebar so that we can see those. Let's go into our WordPress dashboard. Here we go to Appearance and Widgets. We see here main sidebar. We could go ahead and add some widgets here. I'll do a search. And after that, I'll do maybe my recent posts. We can go ahead and save that. So now we should be able to go to our home page and see the sidebar. We'll go ahead and remove this from our script file as well, since we already know the script file is working. So we do see that it loaded it here. We could also check our blog. We see it's loading in the blog section as well. And then maybe let's check contact. Contact page also is loading here at the bottom. Let's go back to our code now. And we could finish it off by adding some styling to our sidebar. Like I said, we could also remove from our script file. We could go ahead and remove this code since we know that it works. Save it so we're not getting those alerts anymore. Let's now go into the styles.css. And here at the bottom, let's add our style. And save it. So this will ensure our sidebar looks more modern and clean. And let's take a look at what that looks like. So here we have it. Let's go back to our home page. And we see it reflects here as well. Sample page reflects here as well. So now all our different page templates are loading our custom sidebar. Using the same logic that we used in this video, you could see how we can create different sidebars for different page templates so that different pages can load different content dynamically. You can have things like home sidebars, contact page sidebars, blog sidebars, etc. And that's it for this lesson. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to stay in the loop and make sure to turn on the bell notification so that you're notified whenever I release new videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.